Hey, hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review ukfootkits.com website. You can see on your screen website. In this video we are going to cover all the information related to this website. Is this website legit or it's scam? And what are the problems you are going to face if you are going to purchase any product on this website. So in this video we are going to cover lots of information like contact information and social media presence, website age, trust score, listed on Trustpilot or not, and reviews on internet, working model, address, and what are the problems you are going to face like product delivery, quality issue, return, and information stolen risk. Okay, so we are going to cover all the information related to this website. So let's get started. First of all, in this video we are going to check the contact information. As you can see over here, they have provided their contact like this one, and if we click on contact us page, you will see there is no such type of contact information available on this website by which you can contact with their customer support team. So in that case, what you have to do, you need to wait for their response, and they have provided only email address like ukfootkits@gmail.com. they have provided only email address. You need to contact with their customer support team. They will reply you or not, it's totally depend in their hand. So this is the first problem. And we talk about the second one is social media presence. Yes, they are present on social media account, like they have only Instagram account, and we check the Instagram, that is their oldest video. And when we click on oldest video, the oldest video is listed on Instagram like approx 12 weeks you can say 12 weeks before. Okay, so this is the problem, that this is a problem, or you can say this is indicating that this website is only 3 to 4 month old website. Okay, and if we talk about the real age of the website, you can see the real age of website is only 5 month old from now. And we talk about the trust score. As you can see, the trust score is good because the website is you can say provided their Gmail address, and they have provided their contact information like their social media presence. So these type of information provided by website making some good indication, but there are also some problems like they are not listed on Trustpilot. Their trust score is good, but they are not listed on Trustpilot. So this is the, you can say, one bottleneck, you can say, because on Trustpilot you can get genuine reviews, or you can say you can get the opinions of customers, or you can say you can read the real reviews of every customer. Okay, but this is not listed on Trustpilot, so this also makes some bottleneck. And if we talk about the discounts or working model, so let's check their one product like this one. The discounts is too highly discounts, they are providing highly discounts, and you can say highly discounts websites always you can say maybe they have you can say any website which is providing highly discounts, they maybe the quality of the product is not too good, or you can say they are trying to use this tactic to attract their customers. So you can say there may be some problem with their, you can say, with their products. Okay, so if we talk about the address, as you can see over here, when we click on contact information, they have not provided any kind of contact information like physical address and all. So this is also a one problem. And if we talk about the more issues, what are the issues you will face after purchasing product? Well, let's suppose you are placing any order, and you will not get your products, and you can say when you place any order, your money will be deducted, but you will never get your product. So this is also happen. And if we talk about the quality issue, let's suppose you will get your product, but the quality of the product is not you can say satisfying, and you want to return your product. Maybe you will not able to return your product because they are not providing their contact information. So these are the basic problems of these type of websites. So please make a proper research before purchasing any kind of website. But my opinion is only this: you can try only some, you can say little amount, you can say you can purchase product, but you have to test First, like you can place little amount product like $1 or $2 or $3 or $5, enough, more than enough. This is the review of this website, UK Food Kits. If you like this video, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.